a new episode of Travel Scarf Style, this time with 3 winter scarves plus 2 just for cute sake. Travel Scarf Style number 1 is with my cashmere scarf, and it's pretty easy. 1, 2, and then we're going to go over the top. And then we're just going to adjust. Travel scarf number 1, travel scarf number 2, same scarf. You could, on your trips, just take it, knot it, go, or adjust this way, bring it around, loop, hold that one here, this one through, and adjust. Just gives it a little more layer in. Throw your coat on, and you're ready to stroll. Throw a coat on, ready to go. Travel scarf idea number 3, using my travel blanket scarf over a jacket. We're going to knot the ends, twist, adjust. This one's nice because you can tailor it to cover more of your neck if you're going outside. It gives multiple layers: shirt, light jacket, scarf. Travel scarf number 3, or even going out in the wind, a little coverage. And the 2 cute bonuses. Take any square silk scarf, fold it up, ring, and then we're just going to make a choker out of it. Knot it in the back, and we got a soft necklace. Second, for cute sake on a scarf is going to be a smaller square scarf. We're going to fold it in and then fold it in again. Always easier on a counter or a chair. Twist like this. And instead of going around the shoulders of the neck, this one is great for the holiday season. We're going to unbutton that, slip it through. This is why you want like a smaller square one so it fits through that belt loop easily enough. Take it through 1, maybe even 2, and then we're going to bring it back around and knot it twice. Have a little decor on the waist. You could also do it through the middle. If you don't like the off-center part, just take it there, 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 and go in the middle. So either one adds just a little flair to the jeans, to the pants, and won't go off through TSA security because no metal in the belt. I'm Andrea, that pilot wife lady, sharing all things travel so that you can travel well, travel light, and travel in your own kind of style. I make a new video each week with new travel tips, travel hacks, airport updates. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. And if any of these scarf styles were up your alley, hit the like button. I have other scarf style videos as well, and I'll put that most recent scarf idea in the description. So if you want to click on that and get even more for your next travels, you can go ahead and do that too. Happy travels. Oops. If you want to get my weekly